Yo, look at this crazy weather today, y'all. This car can never be clean. It does look kind of cool though, I gotta say that. Get a little start up on it. I should probably like shovel some of the snow off first, but man, that shit got everywhere. Alright, let's see. Hey, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. Right now I'm fully coated up because I'm just gonna be giving y'all a little walk around of the car, show you guys the mods I have done and the plans I have for this car. So I've owned the car for a couple of months. I feel like it's been like 4 or 5 months now. I'm not sure. I put it up on screen though. I feel like the look of the car hasn't changed much, and that's just because it is winter, as y'all can see. It is snowing outside. So this video might be interesting to some of y'all that are looking to get one, or some of y'all that has one, just to see like my journey and my plans with the car as well. Look at this thing. I did not even brush off the snow. I feel like it looks cool, so I just kind of left it on for the video. But this is my 2016 BMW 340i. Right now I am MHD stage 2 tune, XHP stage 3 transmission tune. Hey, that thing actually looks fire. As y'all can see, I got the yellow DRLs, and I feel like that's one of my, it stands out a lot. Like, that's a mod that you don't see much, so when you see it in person, it looks pretty crazy. And I got the front mount intake, and I took this grill out just because I wanted the intake to just look more exposed. I can put the grill in, it completely fits just fine. I feel like once the car is completely done, the grill delete is gonna look a lot better. It's just because the car is like stock suspension, no front lip, nothing like that. And I got the white V-brace bars back there. I can probably see it. That's it for the front of the car. Ain't nothing crazy. I did the blackout side markers, like these little thingies, black mirror caps. So what I actually did with this car, because I had another F30 before this, I had a 335i, and that car I put a lot of carbon fiber, but it was mostly all fake carbon. And to be honest, I did not like the look of it, and I was not trying to pay the price for real carbon. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna just get a black car and do all blackout mods. So I'm trying to keep it fully gloss black. For the back of the car, I actually like this diffuser so much. That's my favorite mod right now, diffuser with the brake light. You never really see these ones. I wanted to switch it up. I feel like the brake light one looks pretty cool. And I did the blackout badges. I know y'all gonna be roasting me about how dirty my car is, but I just washed this thing, and it gets like this in a day. Right now, if I wash it, by the time I get back home, it's gonna look just like this again. I got the M performance tips. So that's actually one of the only piece of carbon that's on the car, like on the exterior. Obviously I got the carbon steering wheel and stuff, but y'all can see it is carbon fiber, but it is very hard to see because how dirty it is. But I think that's it. And I did the 50th anniversary badges. Some people like it, some people don't. I just do it because not a lot of people do it. And that's one goal I have for this car. I did the front one too, as y'all can see. But yeah, I just want my car to look different from like every other F30. I just wanted to stand out. I'm not trying to be like that guy who wants to be different, but hey, who wants to have a car that everyone has, you know what I'm saying? So I kind of just do some different mods like the yellow DRL. Some people do it, but you don't see it a lot. And performance wise, I got a catless downpipe from CTS Turbo. I don't know if y'all would consider the exhaust as a performance mod, but that's the most recent thing I've done to the car. So it's like a full straight pipe 3-inch exhaust. And the front mount intake, I don't know if y'all would consider that performance as well. Either way, I'll probably give y'all some little pulls if my camera doesn't die, just so y'all can hear what the car sounds like if this is your first time watching me. If it is though, and y'all want to see more like POVs and stuff, feel free to check out my channel. I make a lot of those. For the interior, I got the carbon fiber steering wheel. I got these little carbon trims. It is fake carbon. I was trying to get glossy black just to like put over the chrome pieces, but I could not find glossy black in these things anywhere, so I just got the fake carbon. I might take it off, I might keep it, I'm not sure though. It doesn't look too bad, but I would definitely prefer if it was real carbon. Yeah, and I just got these little thingies because y'all know how BMWs, like the F series, like back here, it always gets very sticky in like summer. It always gets your hands dirty when you like hold onto the door like this. So I just did that on all 4 doors, as y'all can see. But that's it for the interior. I ain't done much. So yeah, moving on to the next segment of the video. I'm actually freezing, so I'm gonna just go for some more things I want to get done with the interior. Because I got the carbon right there, I might want to get carbon for the front pieces because they make those as well. I might do that, I'm not sure. But 2 mods that I feel like I'm definitely gonna do it, I just don't know when, and I don't know if I should try to do it myself. But I want to get ambient lighting. Right now the car has like very little ambient lighting. Y'all can't even see because it's not nighttime. It's not like the strips, it just kind of like glows down a little bit. I don't really like it that much, to be honest. It's pretty cool to have it, and it kind of like lights up around here too. It's a pretty cool thing to have, I can't complain. So I might try to get that done myself. I want to do it on all 4 doors and the dash. And another big thing, I want to get stars on the roof because I don't know, I always see people with it and I feel like it just gives the car a whole different vibe, especially in the interior. Some mods you never appreciate enough until you actually do it, like the steering wheel. Like since I've done this thing, I don't think I can own another car with a non-carbon fiber steering wheel. It just looks so much better. It feels so much better. It just lightens up the whole interior of the car. And I was kind of iffy about it because I'm like, I don't want it to look riced out with the ambient lighting. But if you do it properly and no wires are shown and it's just the light strips and the stars on the roof, if you do it properly, I feel like it can look really, really good. Especially because I do so much POVs, I just feel like it will look way better. And you don't really see it on like F30s much. And for the exterior, this is where I got a lot of things going on. And I already have mods for the exterior, but I just can't put it on yet because if I try to put a trunk lip on, it is not gonna stick. If I put my front lip on right now, y'all see how deep the snow is. Look at that. Like, I'm just gonna break my front lip. The car's not lowered yet, but I think it just makes sense to wait until it stops snowing a little bit. I'll just do it like when I know there's only 1 month of winter left. But main thing, as y'all can see, bro, look how high this car is. That's like 4 fingers in there, and that's on 19 inches. And I'm gonna be real with y'all, I like this car a lot. I love the way it drives, how it sounds. I like the headlights and everything, but I hate the look of the car from the outside just because of how lifted it is. I know that's a crazy statement to make because before, my first car that I lowered was my last car. Before that, I used to never like lower cars or nothing. I kind of just did like trunk clips and basic stuff like that. But once you've owned a lower car and you see what that looks like, man, a car with stock suspension just is not it. So that is the main thing I want to get done. I'm gonna drop it on some H&R Super Sport springs, just like my last car. I feel like that's a perfect height for me, not too low, not too high. I would do coilovers, but the money for that ain't no joke, so I'm gonna just go with springs for now. And paired along with the springs, I want to get some wheels. So I have a list actually. Let me show y'all. I'm either gonna get the Apex Arc 8s in the chrome finish because I feel like a black car with chrome wheels, you just can't go wrong with that. I was gonna go black on black. I might still do that, I don't know, but I'm 90% sure that I'm gonna go with chrome. Or I'm gonna get the Apex VS5 RSs. I would get that in chrome as well, or the T37s. But the ones I would get are it is like a gunmetal finish on the inside, and then around the rim is like chrome. I really like the look of it. I'm gonna throw some pictures up on screen for y'all. But I feel like with the perfect height and the perfect wheel setup with those rims and everything, you know, put some spacers on there, this car will look super, super good. Right now it's hard to picture it because it is covered in snow. It's stock suspension, and I'm gonna get some little side skirt extensions. Those should be here in probably like a week or 2 weeks. But yeah, then for the front of the car, I already have the front lip actually. If I'm not wrong, I think it's called the V-style front lip. A lot of people just go with the M Performance front lip. That's what I had on my last car, but like I said, I really try to keep it different with this car. Yeah, my boy's sliding it. I don't know if I should go back to white DRLs. I like the yellow ones a lot though. I feel like I prefer the yellow ones, but I don't know. I might see. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I feel like I'm gonna keep the yellow ones for now though. Until everything is done. If I don't really like it that much, then I'll go back to whites, but I mess with the yellow ones a lot, especially with the black car. It looks super aggressive. And towards the back of the car, I know this video is a lot of talking. I just kind of wanted to let y'all know my plans and stuff because nothing much has changed on this car, especially in the exterior, in a long time. For the back, I'm gonna get the CS style trunk lip, so it's not really high kick. It's probably just like that much. It's nothing crazy. Like I said, I'm gonna throw up a picture as well. But yeah, the trunk clip, and I might get the little fans. I don't know if y'all know the little fans that like hang off right here on the side. I might get it. Not a very aggressive one because that guy's wilding out. Damn. Oh, he hit the speed bump. Yeah, I want to get those little fangs. There's some very aggressive ones. I don't think that's going to look good on my car. I just need a little small one that doesn't even look like it's there, but it's a great little add-on. So I might get that, and just the trunk clip. I think that'll be it for the back of the car. I know it doesn't sound like much, but I promise y'all, when it's all put together and the car is lowered and all, it's gonna look way better. I think I covered everything, if I'm not wrong. Obviously there's gonna be some more mods too, but that's just what I know that I'm gonna do for sure, like 100%. That's gonna be coming in like the next 2 months or something, because winter shouldn't be that much longer. It should end in like end of March. Right now we're end of January, so I'd say in like 2 months I should have most of those things done. Like I said, those things I just listed are things that I'm 100% gonna do. Other from that, I could say, yo, I want to get a big turbo and stuff like that, but I just don't have a timeline on when I would get something like that done, because I definitely wanna. A turbo is a lot of money, and then to get that, I feel like I also have to get my high pressure fuel pump so I can, you know, throw on a more aggressive tune with it and stuff. But I won't go into detail about all of that, but I'm gonna just give y'all a little POV real quick, around like 5 minutes, just so y'all can hear the car, hear what the exhaust sounds like. And it is snowing, so I don't want to be doing too much. Probably not the smartest thing right now, but I'm gonna let y'all hear regardless. I need some new wiper blades too. Alright y'all, thank you for watching this video though. That's just some quick little exhaust clips. Yeah, thank y'all for watching the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna try to get this video up the same day because I've been slacking on my uploads. But yeah, I'll catch y'all again in the next one.